Creating a dashboard in Power BI allows you to combine multiple visualizations and reports into a single view, providing a comprehensive snapshot of your data insights. Here's how to create a dashboard effectively. Data import. Connect Power BI to your data sources and import the necessary datasets into Power BI Desktop. Visualization creation. Design visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and tables using the data imported into Power BI. Customize each visualization to represent specific data points and insights. Arrange visualizations. Arrange the visualizations on your canvas in a layout that makes sense for your analysis. You can resize, move, and organize the visualizations to create a visually appealing dashboard. Add filters and slicers. Incorporate filters and slicers to enable users to interact with the dashboard dynamically. Filters allow users to focus on specific data subsets, while slicers enable selection from predefined options. Create relationships. Establish relationships between visualizations to ensure data coherence and enable cross-filtering between related elements. Format and customize. Apply formatting options such as colors, fonts, and backgrounds to enhance the aesthetics of your dashboard. Add titles, subtitles, and annotations to provide context and guidance. Publish dashboard. Once your dashboard is complete, publish it to the Power BI service to share it with others in your organization. You can also publish it to the web or embed it in other applications.